Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your phone to a stable mount. This prevents jitter and keeps focus steady. Once mounted, position your workspace so the paper fills the frame, portrait for short clips, 16:9 for longer tutorials. Make sure two soft light sources sit at roughly 45 degrees to avoid flat shadows. Then open your camera app, lock exposure and focus. This keeps brightness consistent while you draw, and it saves time during editing. Next, refine framing and camera settings before starting. You want a tight crop with roughly 10% margin for later cropping. This keeps composition clean. Select 60 frames per second for smooth pen strokes or 30 FPS if storage is limited. Enable the grid to align the page, switch to airplane mode to avoid interruptions, and lock exposure and focus so the camera won't hunt. When everything looks good, start recording and narrate brief steps as you draw to guide viewers. Finally, move into editing. Trim the beginning and end, speed up long repetitive strokes, and add close-ups for key moments so viewers stay engaged. Once done, export as MP4 with H.264 at 1920 by 1080 unless a platform requests another size, and check audio levels before upload. If something goes wrong, like muffled audio, re-record your voiceover on a quiet phone voice memo and replace the track. Or add captions so your video remains clear and accessible.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.